Welcome to Maroon Talk, a segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I am Fim Moran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Rigondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman.
Mark Ordonez, batch 96, UP Diliman.
Bea Alcantara, batch 2010, UP Diliman, 2011, UP Manila.
Chan Almero, batch 2001, UP Diliman.
Last Bill Hero, 2015, UP Manila, 2017, UP Diliman.
Woo!
Live at Cups.
Live at Cups.
Thank you, Cups.
Cups Diliman.
Cups Diliman.
Thank
The
you.
best place to
Second
be.
floor.
Second floor. Along,
Pero may first floor din. Love.
sino ba? Upbeat.
Yeah, Beat. Hello.
Hi.
Championship shirt. Ate Casey, nandito pa rin siya. And yeah.
Gising na gising pa rin siya.
12:19 a.m.
Correct.
Gising na gising.
Sa LA time.
Pa-zoom na lang po.
Okay guys, so for our second episode of our preseason special, we will talk about our Final Four predictions for UAP Season 88. As always, an iffy subject, di ba? So,
Oo naman.
hindi natin malaman. Wala man tayong alam talaga sa simula ng season. Kaya, itong mga to ay puro haka-haka lang at hulaan lang naman.
Based sa feelings.
Based sa feelings natin, no? So, pero try natin. Try natin for the sake of conversation, for the sake of fandom. And, wala lang, sesi. Di ba? Okay, lahat tayo magbibigay ng ating Final Four predictions for UAP Season 88. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first. Ala. Tingnan. Ito na.
Sige, para
Okay, ito na. So, ito na nga. Okay. Ano yung mga factors? Obviously, UAAP is a different animal. I mean, whatever we've seen in the off-season, throw it out the window, girl. Alam mo yun, there's the crowd. Minsan nakaka-affect din yung venue. Diba? Katulad yan, mukha yatang 4 ang games natin sa QPub. Parehong laban ng Lasal at saka laban ng UP against NU sa QPub. So, we know,
ba yun?
yes, so natalo tayo. Oo, natalo tayo pareho.
So, paano Lasal?
Lasal versus NU, QPub.
Okay.
UP versus NU, QPub din. Pareho tayo natalo last season doon sa QPub, diba? So,
Pinag-isipan.
QPub champions ang NU pag QPub natin din sa totoo.
Champions.
So, Final Four. Siguro, Lasal will probably end the elimination round at the top. UP will come second, perhaps. It's much like season 87. Ito yung tricky. 3 and 4. Lord. My God. 3. Gosh. Alam mo, honest, ang hirap.
7-8 na lang.
7-8 na lang. 7-8 na lang, no? 7-8 na lang. Ang sama ko, Joric and Friends, then Abate and Friends. No, I'm just kidding. Uy, sobra kayo. Baka makancel kayo. No. So sorry. No, 3 and 4, oh my God. It's going to be a battle amongst NU, UST, Adamson, and Ateneo. I have a feeling na kalmutan until the very end ito. And in all honesty, all of this hula-baloo, ang UP at saka Lasal will need to stand firm para makip nila yung 1 and 2 position. But if I was going to make a choice sa 3 and 4, sige na nga, UST Ateneo. My God! My God! Oo. Now, kung sino ang 3 and 4,
Di ka.
3 UST, and by the, alam mo yan, the hair of their chin-chin-chin. Our neighbors in Katipunan, Ateneo.
Back to the final
Back to I've been hearing a lot. I hope I'm just hearing a lot. Oo. Thank God nakalaban natin sila pagkatapos ng Ateneo versus Lasal. So, magkalmutan na sila. Kung pwedeng malaglagan na sila ng bubong doon, even better. At kung magharap sila, pwede walang manalo.
Para natin yung gusto na walang nananalo.
Oh, walang nananalo pag sila yung naglalaban.
Pero lalaban muna ako. Laro lang kayo.
Ang sa kanila mapupunta, ang mapapanalunan nila doon, yung rivalry. Sa kanila na yun.
Yun na yan. Right.
Pero sa amin yung champion. Charot. O, sige na. I'm done. So,
Nice.
Lasal, UP.
Sa lista ng mga katabi.
I'm so sorry. Lasal, UP, UST Ateneo.
Nice.
Okay.
Lasal UP.
Interesting.
UST ba yung 3?
Wait lang. Ako kasi ang 1 and 2 ko din, Lasal UP.
Ako rin.
Ito din, lahat ba tayo
Parang lahat.
unanimous sa
1 Lasal.
1 Lasal?
It's a joke. Lasal
So consensus na 1 and 2.
Ikaw rin, kaya?
UP.
1 Lasal. Okay.
Okay. Sige.
Kayo pala eh.
Ano sa
Kayo
sino
pala
3 and 4?
So usapang 3. Guys,
Usapan pala yung usapan natin.
3 and 4 lang. 3 and 4 lang po itong
Pala.
episode na to.
Final 2.
Final 2.
Ala. Final 2 of 4.
So sino? Sino gusto mo gano'n?
Sino ba?
Sige, ako na. Obviously, 1-2 natin is DLSU UP. Yung 3 and 4 ko,
Kailangan drum roll, no?
Hirapan ako.
So hard.
Oo.
So hard.
Pero, I'll go for NU. Sa 3. Naniniwala pa rin ako sa kakayahan ni Steve Nash, ni Jake, ni Jolo, ni PJ, and then the new guys. And also, yung coach din nila. So, and hindi ko alam kung babalik si Omar dyan as FSA nila. Siya ba yung babalik? So, yun yung 3. At saka medyo may may giggle factor sila this season. Kasi nga, last season, medyo nagkaroon sila ng hiccup dun sa first round. Number 4 ko, kinakabahan!
Bukas!
I'll go for UST. Why? Pwedeng lahat kasi sila parang bago. Not necessarily lahat sila bago, pero they have their core team din. Core holdout sample. Sorry. Prediction kasi holdout sample. Ginawang holdovers. They have Fortsky, Nika Banyero, and then sino pa ba yung mga nila? Acido, si Lemit, Crisostomo is doing good sa And then yung mga additions nila, galing din sa juniors nila. So, iba rin yung level kapag parang from juniors pupunta ka ng senior. So, it's the
Together.
same. Together. So, kasi parang tatlo sila eh. So, it's quite the same of the likes nung 4 na pumasok sa atin ng sabay-sabay. Austin, Terrence, Carl, Harold. Diba? Kasi yung dalawa naman, sumunod lang sila. So, yun. And then yung tatlong addition nila, hindi lang kasi sila basta dahil galing sa juniors. So, champion sila from the juniors. And then, and then, parang sila yung mga blue chip from their juniors program. And naniniwala pa din ako sa continuity ng program ni UST in terms of sports. Kaya sila yung number 4.
At dahil nabanggit natin siya yan din actually akin. Pero 3 ko UST. Tama ba? 3 UST. Nabanggit na natin siya yung dahilan kung bakit UST. Yung NU na lang yung babanggitin ko. Kahit pa paano, yung NU pa rin naman. Sila pa rin naman yun. Kahit nagsawa na akong kalaban sila sa pre-season.
5 sunod-sunod na araw, NU tayo.
Ilang beses natin sila nakalaban sa ilang finals sa pre-season. Again, intact pa rin yung core nila. We have yet to see yung other teams at Ateneo, Adamson. We've seen Adamson in the preseason, but sa akin, I would select NU first sa ngayon. Dahil mas established sila in a way. Yun. Ateneo, hindi pa natin alam. We'll see in the season. At least itong UST and NU, medyo may visualization tayo of how they are as a team right now. So I could predict, my prediction would be Lasal, UP, sabi ko, UST and NU. Yun muna.
Ako din.
Same but different.
Medyo.
Ako na susunod kasi same kami ng ranking ni Tim.
Sa rank.
Yung top 2, UP, ay mali. Lasal.
Lasal UP.
Lasal UP, UST and
NU.
Oh, NU din. With the same reasons, number one sa UST is yung mga additions nila and yung mga consistent nila ng players ni Cabanero and Padugao.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah.
And coach nila.
Coach Do.
Oo. Coach Pido.
Para bata pa lang tayo.
Oo. Parang lumaki po tayo kay
Yes.
Coach Pido. Yun. Tapos, for NU, dahil lang dun sa gigil nila. And yes, mga anak din kasi ni Coach ko. Oo. Steve Nash.
Steve Nash. Shout out Nash.
Nash.
Mga gigil.
Pwede na lang. Ikaw.
Kasi para may iba naman,
Naku, pipili mo din UST.
UP, Lasal,
1 UP.
1 UP ka?
Sorry na din.
in no particular order. UP,
Hindi,
Lasal.
meron. Magtubit ka na.
Pagkatapos na. Okay.
Mag-mic ka na.
Ayoko. So, yun lang. First seed, Lasal. Second seed, UP. At para may iba naman, third seed, NU, fourth seed, UST.
Same,
Oh, same.
Iba-iba. Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Hindi,
4.
pero ang
Ay, hindi. 1,
ano ko
2,
lang
3, 4
doon,
ko. Same.
Team kayo. Oo.
ang rationale ko lang doon ay I see UP and Lasal going one apiece. 1-1 yan. And doon tayo magtatalo sa quotient probably.
Or like yung
Okay.
mga isang makakatalo.
And basically, And yung sa 3 and 4, honestly, di ako makapili. Pero I see NU topping UST dahil mas mature sila as a team. They've been together longer and that's always been a factor. And yung UST, yung home court advantage. Joke lang. UST's been up
Literal na home court na
Yung totoo eh.
UST's been up and coming na they're slowly rising. Tahimik lang sila pero they're slowly getting better. And for that fourth spot, nakikita rin medyo it's gonna be a battle between Ateneo and UST. Pero UST dahil UST ako eh. And
Ano pa ba?
tsaka get.
Yung
pero yeah. Lasal, UP, NU, UST, and mas exciting panoorin yung 3 and 4 kasi yung 5th and 6th manggugulo yan. Kahit yung friends natin dun sa
Sa baba.
they've shown their capability to na makachamba. Sorry, not chamba. Pero bilog ang bola, 'di ba? Bilog ang bola and we've seen lower seeded teams upsetting the best of the best and that's been the UAP for the past who knows how long and yun lang naman for me.
So, pareho natin siya.
Yes.
Okay. Parang ako lang sa iba dito.
So, okay.
Oh, here we go.
1, 2.
Kasi yun nga, Lasal, UP, 1 and 2. 3 ko, NU. Kasi feeling ko meron ng sa kanila, may sakit na dun sa nakaraan nila. Sobrang dami na heartbreak the past few seasons na tapos yun nga, sabi ni Fim, same players naman. Kaya nagtataka kami parang kailan ba nila mabe-break yung ceiling na yun. Kasi magagaling yung players nila. Meron silang pieces, meron silang ingredients. Bakit hindi sila mag-succeed masyado?
So, sorry, yung last season pala nila, yung daming close game na dapat panalo sila.
Yun, di ba? So, may halong may halong malas din siguro from past years. Sana mag-break ngayon. Tingin ko mag-break nila ngayon. I think this is the season kasi ang tagal na nilang nasasaktan. So, yan. So, ito yun. Yung number 3 sila kasi kaya nila yun. Number 4.
Yan na.
Ito yung mahirap. Tingin ko number 4 Ateneo. Pero by the skin of their teeth. Hindi ako magulat kung magta-tiebreaker sila ng 5. Kasi yung Ateneo, last season, last play sila. Pero nanalo silang 4 games. Parang, bihira ka makakita ng 8 plays na nanalo ng 4 times in a season. Usually mga, 1-2 games lang yun. Pero nanalo sila 4 games. And yun nga, last season, very close yung fight for the Final Four. Tingin ko this year maging ganun din. Kaya tingin ko yung Ateneo, nag-improve naman sila based sa mga nabasa ko online. Pag nag-research ka, nanood sa YouTube ng mga Ateneo vlogs and podcasts. Sinasabi nila maganda yung improvement na Ateneo. Meron silang coach tab pa.
Yes.
Diba? So, naniniwala ako doon. Tingin ko kaya nila mag-4. Pero tingin ko magtatay sila ng Adamson.
Oh my God, another Adamson.
Four.
Ateneo, playoff door.
4 and 5 yan. So kung hindi rin ako magugulat kung Adamson yung pumasok. Pero tingin ko Ateneo yan.
Gosh, kalmutan na naman yan.
Yung Adamson, nung preseason, ilang tournaments yung lilihan nila. Nakalimang championship sila nung preseason. Of course, hindi yun Phil Oil level. Pero 5 championship pa rin yan.
Open siya.
Ilang tournament, hindi ka rin, mahirap pa rin manalo ng 5 tournaments in one preseason, di ba? So tingin ko legit yung Adamson. They can compete. Magtatapat sila ng Ateneo. Tingin ko Ateneo makakapasok eventually, pero yun nga, tingin ko may playoff yan. Ganun magiging ka-close. So 3-7, 3-6 actually. 3-6, bakbakan yun. Yun. So ulit, Lasal, UP, NU, Ateneo.
Si Angelo may Ateneo sa ano?
Yung
dalawa, di ba? Okay.
Pero fourth mo din Ateneo.
Fourth ko yun na Ateneo, pero UST nasa third.
Siya NU.
Yan.
So lahat naman yan,
Pawang.
kung hindi mag-ayos ang UP at Lasal, kumbaga, maaaring sila din yung maging
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Oo, totoo naman yun.
Pwede rin.
Yeah.
So, it says na it could be unpredictable in the season. What's sure is and no team can relax in any game in this. Well, lahat naman ng UAP season ganun eh. So if you relax, medyo mahihirapan ka down the stretch of the season. So if you want to have a secure spot, you should start your work early and get those wins right there and there.
Earlier.
Lalo kung kaya mo. We'll discuss Enzo sa schedule episode kung ano yung mga must-win games natin. Or should be win-in-the-bag games ng UP in the first round. Pag-usapan natin in the next episode. No? But so far, the Final Four, again, if we look back at this episode at the end of the season, maaring mali kaming lahat. Maaring may tumama din sa amin. But, so far, ito yung alam natin.
Malay nyo, yung Lasal, walang chemistry.
Ay!
Tapos,
Nagkalat sila.
mag 3 or 4 lang sila, di ba?
Magagawan sa bola siya.
Pwede bang step ladder na lang sila from 6 to ano? Tapos play na lang tayo sa December 9.
Yung NCAA ganun na ngayon na may play-in na tournament
okay.
sila. Iba na yung format nila.
Oo nga, nag-change na.
Nabore na sila sa Final Four. Sobrang haba
So,
na
parang
yung
may
season.
brackets na sila.
Oo,
Yes.
brackets na. Sa atin, kaya pa naman natin Final Four.
Kasi
walo
8
pa rin
lang naman
tayo.
Hindi pa lang.
Yeah.
Good, kayo. Ano pang tingin nyo sa Lance? How close is it gonna be?
I mean, past seasons naman, kita niyo naman kung gaano, like even watching other games, very cardiac din. I mean, kahit nga, looking from the outside, I mean, pinapanood mo lang yung standings, how the standings change after every game day. Talagang anything, like the whole yung rankings could change so randomly in a single game day, and that's just, I mean, from a fan's perspective, talagang that's just really nice to see na the league's getting more competitive every year.
Yeah.
And yun nga, like we said, na every year nga may nanggugulo kahit wala naman silang pakialam sa Final Four. Sila pa yung nagkakos ng differences dun sa Final Four.
Yui!
Wala ko sinabi But yeah, yun nga. And we've got schools na dumaan sila sa kung anong pinagdaanan natin early, years back. And it's nice to see na on the way din sila dun sa redemption nila. And tayo, we've established na contenders tayo, and in the next few years, sure akong hindi pa yun bababa. Pero yun yung best part for me, na seeing other teams na slowly yung parang mas malaking slice ng cake yung kinukuha na nila. And yun lang naman. Really exciting to see that.
And, alam mo yun, may chance tayo to look stupid after the first weekend, in all honesty.
Yeah.
Kasi maraming pwedeng manggulat dyan. And like what we said, what we've seen in the off-season might not even be the real way that they'll be playing in the UAAP. So Ateneo is the biggest question mark in all honesty. I think they'll be facing FEU if I'm not mistaken first. So we might even weigh that game a little bit, alam mo yun, heavier after we see them play. So good luck to all of the teams.
Yes, sir.
And it's going to be interesting. And hopefully, hindi naman tayo medyo maraming cardiac. At saka, huwag naman tayo masyadong cramming this season. Dahil this season, masusubukan talaga tayo because we have more competition. But we've gone through this and every time naman, we make it to the finals. So, hoping for the best for that. Yeah.
Kaya pa rin naman.
Again, the first round will be different. Lalo ngayon sa a feel-out phase. Napuno.
Oh!
Uy.
Meron pa naman doon. Tayo. So we'll see. Sige, talking about the opening weekend games. Lasal will face... Sino nga? Sila yung first game eh. We'll face UST. Tayo yung main game on Sunday.
UST, so sila is the other Final 14 last.
Adamson.
Adamson?
Lasal Adamson.
Di ba fourth yung Adamson?
Ateneo, FEU.
First game.
FEU. Adamson pala
Adamson,
ba ng
Lasal.
Ateneo?
Adamson Lasal.
FEU, Ateneo.
FEU Ateneo. Tayo ay UST. And the next UE.
UENU.
UENU.
UP, UST.
Sakto lang yung mga first games.
Sakto.
Pero huwag kayong magulat kung sa simula pa lang may makita na tayong players na would be significant. So we could see potential breakouts initially sa opening weekend pa lang. So keep an eye out on those players na would be surprising kasi more or less they'll be consistent in the season. So tingnan natin. Magandang makita yan early on and let's see how the rookies will perform in the bright lights of the UAP.
Yes.
Exciting.
Yeah. Most of these teams na maghaharap yata, they haven't faced them each other off season, you know. And remember, the last time we faced UST, we lost to them in field.
Yeah.
So might be a revenge match. We'll see.
Hindi UST Final Four tayo.
Hindi, last Phil Oil.
Phil Oil.
Natalo tayo sa kanila. Sila lang yung hindi tayo nagkaroon ng revenge win over.
Yep.
So yun.
At saka home court advantage ulit.
Again, yun nga. If you relax, that could possibly happen. So we have to be on our toes.
Work hard.
Ano lang, sa akin, na-realize ko since last season, whether we win or... As long as we win, hindi na importante sa akin yung convincing win sa eliminations. As long as we get the win in the eliminations, okay na ako dun. Kasi nga, knowing Coach Gold,
maayos.
Meron siyang mga plano. Yung ano lang, yun ang sabihin ko.
Hindi natin.
Hindi natin alam.
Gugulat tayo.
Hindi talaga natin alam. Kaya,
Gulatan ko.
kung manalo tayo, kahit pangit yan, okay lang. Okay, so, importante makuha natin yung panalo. Importante we build good habits as a team and wala may injure. Yun lang.
Tama, Harold?
Opo. Okay. Kayo, let us know sino yung mga Final Four predictions nyo. May sense ba yung pinagsasabi namin o wala? Kasi malamang kayo wala rin yung sense kasi wala din mo kayo alam. Early on, di ba? Wala pa.
Pero excited ako sa Ateneo kasi hindi natin sila nakita ng pre-season. Tapos, yung mga additions nila, hindi natin masyadong kilala.
Yep.
Yeah, I think naka-circle na sa calendar as soon as that schedule comes out yung Ateneo na sa launch. I think in MOA ang mangyayari. So, looking out for that. It should be an intense match, especially the first game with Mason now wearing green.
Ay, oo nga! Ay!
Spicy!
Okay. See you at the games, guys.
Thank you.
As always,
UP5.
UP5.
UP5!
UP5 shirts.